Hi friends, you're welcome to yet another video from your favorite sewing tutor here on YouTube, designed by Tola. So in today's video, this is a very quick one. I'm going to be showing you the usefulness of this plate. Some people call it thread plate, some people call it machine plate, whichever name you call it, but I'm going to be showing you the usefulness of this plate. Honestly, I realized and I got to know about the usefulness of this plate just a couple of months ago. That was last year. That was when I got to know about the usefulness and the importance of the numbers written on this plate. And I got to know from my own particular experience. Honestly, I got to know about it from my own personal experience. So I'm going to be sharing with you here because I know that this is going to help one or two people here today. So I'm going to be showing you how you can use the numbers on this plate to actually improve your sewing skills, to make you sew faster, to make you sew quicker, to make you sew neater. And trust me, it's going to help you in your sewing process a lot. And that is because there is this beauty that outfits get when they are being sewn in a straight line. Like when your stitches are straight, there is this beauty it adds to the result, to the overall outfit. So this can help you to make your outfit straight, to make your stitches straight, and at the end of the day, making your outfit come out very, very nice. So I'm going to show you how to make use of these numbers on this plate in a bit. So join me, let's move into the tutorial. So friends, as you can see, these are the numbers. This is 1/4, this is 1.5, this is 3/4, and this is 1. The last one here is 1/4. And all these measurements are taken from these focal points where your needle, where your stitches starts from. That is where the measurements are being taken from. And these measurements are equal to the measurements on your tape measure. So let's reconfirm to make sure that these measurements are equal. So you can see, starting from this focal point here, where the needle is, where the stitches start from. So you can see that from that point down to where 1/4 is written, you can see that we have the measurement there is correct, which is 1/4. Then look at the next one where we have 1/2, which is half of an inch. This one, you can see it corresponds on our tape measure. This is 3/4, you can see it corresponds. This is 1 inch, you can see it corresponds. And this is 1 inch and quarter, and you can see it corresponds with our tape measure. So which means that once you start sewing here, all these numbers are correct. So instead of you using your tape measure to measure at individual points, you can make use of these numbers on this plate to make your work easier and also faster for you. So I'm going to show you, and I know that there are numbers here, but ever since I started sewing, I've never taken cognizance of these numbers. Just a couple of months ago, I started to make use of these numbers, and I can tell you that they have really been of great help to me. All right, so I recognized and started using these numbers just a couple of months ago. I already knew about them, but I just never, put my mind to it. But since when I started using these numbers, honestly, it has so much helped me because it's going to make your sewing neater. It's going to make your sewing easier. Honestly, trust me. Start making use of these numbers to make sure that your stitches are straight. And there is a beauty it gives when you are sewing 1/2 inch. Maybe for the sleeve now, the allowance is 1/2 inch, and then you make use of this line, and then your sleeve, well done. And then your sleeves, has an equal 1/2 inch allowance all through, and your stitch has 1/2 inch from the beginning to the end of it. Or there's this beauty, especially for ready to wear outfit. Honestly, this is going to help you a lot. It will make your sewing faster. It will also make your sewing easier. Trust me, when you sew an outfit, it makes it look like a ready-made, an imported ready-made outfit. I'm going to show you in a bit what I mean. This here is my manual machine, and it has this too. So if your machine does not have this, if it does not have these calibrated numbers on the plate, You can as well get to the market where they sell machines, sewing machine spare parts, and get the one that has these calibrated numbers on it. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to help you a lot. Just try it from today. Start to make use of these numbers and make sure that your fabric aligns with this. So let me show you how to go about it. This is how to make use of these numbers. So you put your fabric, let's say the allowance you want to put, or let's assume that I want to stitch this material. I want to stitch it together with 1/2 inch. So I fold it this way, and then I place it underneath like this, and make sure that the tip of the fabric here is lying directly on this 1/2 inch line. All right, then I start to sew, making sure that this tip here aligns with this 1/2 inch line, and I stitch like that all through to the end of my fabric. So that is how to make use of it. And let's assume that it's the inner allowance, and then for the inner allowance I want to put 1 inch, and then I'll move it right like this and make sure that the tip of this fabric aligns on this 1 inch line that I have here, and then I stitch all through, making sure I put an eye, making sure my eye is actually on this part, so that my fabric here aligns on this 1 inch line exactly, and I stitch like that all through to the end of my fabric. That is how to go about using the numbers on this thread or machine plates. I want to know what you feel about this video. I want you to try it and give me a feedback on how it has helped you, or how you found it much more easier to use, or whatever you think, or maybe you're even thinking otherwise about these numbers. Please, I want to get feedback from you. Try it today and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till I see you in my next one, please have a great day. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, remember to tap on the subscribe button, share this video, like, and give your comments below. Thank you. Bye.